Hi everybody, it's Miss Clark. I got from school this big book about graphing, and I thought we would look through it today because you guys are learning about graphs in math. So I'm going to open it up, and there's some kids, and they're graphing their height, which is how tall they are. And it says, a graph shows the information we need. Graphs can make it easy to read. So they're graphing, how much did we grow? Graphs answer questions. What pet do you own? So the question here is, what pet do they have? Do they have a rabbit? Do they have a bird? Do they have a dog? Do they have a turtle? Or do they have a cat? So on this page, they've graphed it in a chart. What pet do you own? These people own a dog. These people own a cat. These people own a bird. These people own a rabbit. They own a turtle, and they own none, which means they don't have any pets. So if you count them, 5, 6, 7 people have a dog. 5, 6, 7, 8 people have a cat. How many people have a turtle?
Maybe that's you.
That's right, 2 people own a turtle. This is called a tally chart. Which of these sports was voted the best? With a pictograph, you won't have to guess. So these friends all voted for what? Soccer. These friends all voted for softball. What kind of ball is that, Evie?
What kind of ball?
What is that?
Soccer ball.
That's a soccer ball. These people voted for the basketball, and these people like swimming the most. What sport do people like the most? That's right, soccer. And what sport do people like the least? That's right, basketball. Which fruit do we have most of? Plum, apple, or pear? If you make a bar graph, the answer's right there. On this part of the graph, it shows the name of the fruit, the plum, the apple, or the pear. This side of the graph shows how many people like each fruit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many people like plums? That's right, 9. How many people like apples? 3. And how many people like pears? 5. That's called a bar graph. Just how warm has it been this spring? With a line graph, you can show most anything. So this part of the graph shows the date. The 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and so on. This shows the temperature. This graph looks harder than the other ones, doesn't it? That's called a line graph. Here's a group of boys. You can graph them by height when they stand in a row from the left to the right. What direction does the graph go? It goes from the tallest boy to the shortest boy. And here's their height in numbers. This class voted on colors. What did they say? What color is their favorite? That's right, red. How many votes did red get? 12 votes for red. How many people like green the most? That's right, 3 people. These graphs show the answer in more than one way. This is called a circle graph, a pie chart, and These friends all like red. These friends all like blue. There's green, there's purple, and there's yellow. This is the same graph, the same information, the same data in both pictures. It's just shown in a different way. Oh, my friends, you know what this is called. This is a Venn diagram. How do butterflies and ladybugs differ? Which features do they share? A Venn diagram helps you to compare. So this side shows what the butterflies are like. This one shows what the ladybugs are. And this one shows what both of them have.
Open it.
There you go. If I go back, and I'm going to go back to this bar graph, I want you to try to do some activities with me. If you need a piece of paper, if you have one close to you with a pencil, you can try to do this with me. How many people like blue and purple all together? How many people like blue and purple together? So let's see. 6 people like blue. 2 people like purple. So we would have to add 6 plus 2. 6 blues plus 2 purple makes, that's right, 8. You try this one by yourself.
Mommy.
How many people like red and green? How many people like red and green?
Make a triangle.
So add the reds and add the greens. How many do you get?
I do this one. I do this one, Mommy.
There are 12 reds. There are 3 greens. 12 and plus 3 more is how many? That's right, 15. I hope you're continuing to learn about graphs using the websites and the links that we shared with you. Have fun.